Is recording. All right, so we're back on this thing. As you can see, I got some of the drift car spares on it, and it looks pretty good. We're gonna need some 3-piece and wide body still, but we'll take that. So the next step in this car is it needs some angle because I know y'all saw me spin out. So I'm fabricating my own custom angle kit here. I don't know if it's gonna work. I've never done a wishbone suspension angle kit before. I've always done 240s, so we'll see what will happen. Let me show y'all what I did with the knuckles. All right, so we did wise fab on George's car, and yes, that would be great to put wise fab in my car. I just don't have the wise fab budget right now, so we're gonna try some custom knuckles. I kind of went out on a whim and just moved these out evenly on both sides, and got rid of the bump stop on the inside, and we extended the lower control arm 1.5 inches. So we'll put that on today, and I just got to modify the outer tie rods, and then we'll go test it in the cul-de-sac. Hopefully I don't spin on an entry no more because I'll actually have some angle. So we'll just pull this in, we'll do the whole turn the wheel thing, mark it on the floor, then we'll get on the lift and we'll install those parts and see how much angle we gain, and hopefully it drives good with a string alignment. Also, as you guys can see, I got the IC7 in now and working. It tells you what gear we're in and stuff sometimes. Yeah, there we go. And it has fuel level. Everything's working nice and minty. Next, we're going to also need a radio and a sub, but angle kit first. So let's get this thing on the lift. All right, so got it in here on the lift. Before we put it on the lift, I marked the floor where the max angle was, left and right, for both sides real quick, just to see how much more angle we gain once I put in the Lee Bird custom angle kit. So we're gonna get the wheels off. My dog Scott here, he bored, so he finna help me. Gonna pull the wheels off, pull the lower control arms off, take out the stuck knuckles, put on my custom made knuckles. Hopefully they work. All right, it's pretty straightforward. Take off the cap there, which is that. Unbolt the brake caliper, unbolt the lower ball joint, unbolt the 2 tension rod bolts, and unbolt that, and they'll just come right off. And the ABS sensor. Get rid of that guy too. All right, so we got everything on. I even take the stock outer tie rod, added an 01, welded it together. So I literally have $0.00 in this kit, and we had some used 240 tension rods that work on there. So we're gonna slap the wheels on, bring it down, give it a little string alignment. We might have to raise it a little bit, but I think we're still gonna clear the fender. Yeah, we still clear the fender. Got a little bit of camber. Not the wheel straight, Nick? It is? Oh, damn. Yeah, we might need longer inner tie rod still, bro. Dang. That's really straight? Yeah, go ahead, put it on. Damn. Let's see what we got on this side here, man. Oh, it's still towed out. I can tell Scott can find a stud. I'm trying. Oh shit, yeah, it's still towed out. I might need longer inner tie rods, bro. I guess I should have waited before I welded those up, huh? I didn't think it would have been that far. That's pretty... I like the camber though. It's starting to look like a drift car, man. Yeah. That looks at least like 3.5, 4 degrees of camber. And it gives the car a lot more character now. Hopefully just drive as good as it looks. Dang. All right, update, we taking the L. So my measurement was a little wrong on lengthening my tie rods, and I don't feel like cutting it and having 2 welds. So my dog Scott over here, where that, bro? You put him in. You went and got me the cheat code, bro. You know what I'm saying? So if you get 03 Nissan Maxima inners, look at that. It's like 1 inch and almost a half longer, almost 1.5 inches longer. And we just needed like 1 inch longer. So now we good. I'll slot these on there. So the car getting serviced pretty much while I was getting an angle kit, you know. Brand new tie rods on there, looking nice and stiff. We'll be good, nice and stiff. So let's see what happens now. Look at that. Now, we have that much threads in there now. It's gonna be safe. Don't be roasting my welded tie rod, bro. I put a fat D to weld on there so it won't break. All right, car's back on all fours, but I don't think we got that much more angle. We got like 10 degrees more. Was it worth the effort? No. Does it look better? Yes. Oh, look, the Casa is definitely better now, Nick.
Yeah, it's way better.
Man, we're gonna go whip it real quick and see how it drives. I don't want to go by my lines because the lines are kind of lying to me. Lines saying I ain't got that much, but whatever. Damn, Nick. Y'all hear Nick exhaust leak? Sad. All right, so what better way than to test out this angle kit that I made that keep locking, then hit a little cul-de-sac party with my boy Haitian real quick, you know what I'm saying? AC blasting and shit. Yeah, finger in the way. So it's not that much more angle, but it's more angle. I don't want you to hit me. What if I spin?
I'll stop.
Okay. Hey, look at me. We faster than him anyways. Let's go. You see what I'm talking about? You almost hit me, bro. Oh my God, you suck. You suck. You're trash. Who are you? What did you do and leave? It ain't had no angle. I ran out of angle. Oh my God. Damn, that was close. You can follow. Yeah, I'm gonna follow, bro. You can follow. That was really close. Hey, you can't enter like that though. What's up? Shit. This is sucks. You want me to lead again? Alright. Hey. Oh, he went again. He's out of it again. I want to drive. That's a wheel man right there. That's a wheel man. I want to drive. That's not a double clutch kick. Oh, fuck. The car did everything. He's out of a bitch? Yeah. Go faster?
Enter earlier. If you go faster, you gotta enter earlier. Don't enter the same place. When you go faster, you're gonna die.
That's what it felt like.
Okay, so you
I'm
gotta
pumping the
enter
fuck
earlier.
out of the front brake because I'm like, we're not gonna make it.
I'll leave. Don't hit me, bro.
Alright, I will. I mean, won't. Y'all ready?
Yeah, we ready.
In that moment. Hell no, I don't need it. You think I want a year of
Nah, that's you. Fucking 2 years.
here in the body? I'm gonna enter on this shit though.
Yo, I can't find doors. Don't hit me. Ready?
Yeah.
from the time you came back.
Broke ass shit, bro. This is why I like driving my Skyline.
Yo, Lee drove it and broke it.
All motor, bro.
Guess I gotta record something, huh? What do you have to say about yourself, Lee?
I don't know. I guess I'm used to hearing my turbo spool.
You drove it and broke it.
It ain't broken. It's these welds that's broken.
Oh, that one looked like it's on top.
It's probably struggling to this.
Haitian welders.
I can remake that, bro, and make it better, bro. I'm gooder now. Gooder.
Maybe I just didn't like it. I think a bit. Oh, I forgot. It's because I'm so far back in the seat I couldn't reach the floor and the gas pedal. Where's the boost gauge? Wow.
But I deal with it.
This is what you have to drive?
Yes.
This is horrible.
I just deal with it. I don't complain, okay? Okay?
Wow.
Hey, you want to drive every fucking day. Hey, you want to drive every... Yo, let's drive. Yo, let's drive. You don't think it's a little uncomfortable to
If I
drive?
know it was this bad, I would help you, bro.
Haitian, drive. Well, now you know.
I can drive it. I just didn't realize you need to work this bitch.
You gotta work it.
You gotta work this motherfucker.
That nigga checked so good. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God! Oh shit! Man, I felt like the whole shit was about to blow apart. Oh my God! Oh my God! Yo! Oh my God! I don't give a fuck. Yo!
All right, guys. So sedan's doing good, nice and healthy. It's taking all the abuse. Hasn't shown no signs of weakness yet. We're gonna keep it going. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I probably gotta fix the anger kit. What I made was a big L. Obviously, you can see I was doing a lot of spinning out still. It is what it is. We'll try something else. Maybe I'll convert it to S13 front suspension, or I'll end up with Wise Fab or something in the front. But I gotta make something happen so we can keep drifting this thing. It's way too much fun. Till then, we'll see y'all next one. Later.